Firstly, you have to know what is COVID-19. COVID-19 means coronavirus disease 2019. Firstly identified late December 2019 in Wuhan, China. So they named it COVID-19. It is also called new China strain SARS-like coronavirus. SARS-like virus. CO stands for corona, V for virus and D for disease. So formerly this disease was referred to novel coronavirus. The name corona is derived from the Latin word corona, meaning crown or halo. A fringe of large bulbous surface projections creating an image of a royal crown or of the solar corona. Coronavirus are an extremely common cause of colds and other upper respiratory tract infections. These viruses are zoonotic, can infect certain animals and spread from one animal to another. It can potentially spread to humans, particularly when certain mutation in the virus occur. In humans, the virus causes respiratory infections, including the common cold, typically mild. In cows and pigs, they cause diarrhea. In chickens, they cause an upper respiratory disease. No vaccines or antiviral drugs are approved for prevention or treatment. Now, the morphology of coronavirus. Coronaviruses are enveloped viruses with a positive sense single-stranded RNA genome and with a nucleocapsid of helical symmetry. The genomic size ranges from 26 to 32 kilobases. Largest for an RNA virus. Overall structure of all coronavirus are the spikes, envelope, membrane and nucleocapsid. Now the classification. Order Nidovirales. Family Coronaviridae. Subfamily Coronavirini. Genera Alpha coronavirus, Beta, Gamma and Delta coronavirus. Species. Alpha coronavirus include human coronavirus. Beta coronavirus include human coronavirus, SARS coronavirus, MERS coronavirus and Wuhan coronavirus. Gamma coronavirus include avian coronavirus, duck coronavirus and Delta coronavirus include Munia coronavirus, bulbul coronavirus and thrush coronavirus. There are 7 strains of human coronavirus, including these 3, 6 and 7 number coronavirus causes disease. Middle East Respiratory Syndrome coronavirus, which is previously known as novel coronavirus 2012, and the novel coronavirus also known as Wuhan pneumonia or Wuhan coronavirus. Novel means newly discovered or newly organized and is a placeholder name. Incubation period 1 to 14 days after exposure. How outbreak occurs? At first, bat SARS-like coronavirus cannot identify angiotensin converting enzyme type 2 and cannot infect human. In intermediate host, amino acid sequence of bat SARS-like coronavirus changes occur, and the virus can recognize angiotensin converting enzyme type 2 and able to cause infection. New bat SARS-like coronavirus can infect human as broad diversification occurs, and it can cause angiotensin converting enzyme type 2 as receptor without the help of an intermediate host. Structural analysis suggests that COVID-19 might be able to bind the angiotensin converting enzyme type 2 receptor in human. Firstly, virus attacks the specific cellular receptors via the spike protein. Then transformational change leading to fusion between the viral and cell membrane. Here transcription and translation occur. Already you know what is transcription and what is translation. Transcription means DNA is copied to RNA and translation means messenger RNA which is used to produce protein. Release of nucleocapsid into the cell, alteration of DNA and production of proteins and certain specific enzymes. Then alteration of cell function and production, release of excess cytokines and chemokines like interleukin B, interleukin 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Increased ESR, CRP, procalcitonin, then hyperinflammation occur. Finally, cause of death due to complication. Effects caused by cytokine storm syndrome. or severe acute respiratory distress syndrome and fulminant myocarditis. Risk factors: immunocompromised individuals, chronic disorders like bronchial asthma, diabetes mellitus, and cardiovascular patients, etc., old age people, and malignancy. Transmission of COVID-19: animal to human contact, according to WHO, bat to man, intermediate host yet not known, close contact with infected persons, droplet nuclei in the atmosphere, respiratory secretions on surface like fomite, surface contact like desks, phones, doorknobs, light switches, countertops, and contaminated clothes, etc. Lab diagnosis: specimen, blood, nasopharyngeal swab, and sputum. Macroscopic examination: complete blood count. WBC count may vary. Leukopenia more common, or leukocytosis occur. The lymphocyte count will be less than 4,000 per kilometer of blood. Increased LDH level due to affinity of cytokines for cardiac tissue and hepatic tissue. In very early finding, we found increased ferritin level. Culture not done for precaution purposes. Virus confirmed by RT-PCR techniques. Imaging: computer tomography scan of chest. Here, ground glass opacification without consolidation, and bilateral peripheral involvement, especially lower lobe. Sign and symptoms: fever, dry cough, fatigue, sputum production, shortness of breath, myalgia and arthalgia, sore throat, headache, chills, nausea and vomiting, nasal congestion, diarrhea, hemoptysis, and conjunctival congestion. Now, treatment. In severe cases, firstly we have to hospitalize the patient. The main treatment is supportive treatment. Firstly, we have to maintain airway breathing and circulation. Ventilation if required. To prevent spread, first we have to isolate the patient. Correction of electrolyte imbalance, correct temperature. Avoid corticosteroids, drugs such as tocilizumab, anakinra, remdesivir, and lopinavir and favipiravir. Tocilizumab, which is interleukin 6 blockage, anakinra, which is interleukin 1 blockage against effects of cytokine storm. Antivirals and anti-HIV drugs are also in trial. Antimalarial drugs such as hydroxychloroquine is also effective. Vaccines are not available, but there is no certain specific treatment protocol published by WHO. Differential diagnosis: adenovirus, influenza virus, human metapneumovirus, parainfluenza virus, respiratory syncytial virus, and rhinovirus, which is responsible for common cold. Prevention: remember Wuhan to protect yourself from coronavirus. First, you have to wash your hands often, at least 20 seconds. Use masks properly when necessary. Have your temperature checked for fever. Avoid large crowds and stay home if you are sick. At least 1 meter or 3 feet distance you have to maintain. Never touch your hands with unclean hands. That's all my lecture. If you have faced any problem or you have any questions, please ask me in my email address or my Facebook Messenger. My email address is drnusratjahan2017@gmail.com. Allah Hafiz. Be safe and stay home.